Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. And in last time I started one more new chapter, and the topic of the chapter was great world leaders. Yes, last time I started a new chapter where I discussed about the world leaders, great world leaders. Actually beta, we have studied about Indian leaders. Numbers of Indian leaders we have studied about, like Gandhi ji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Netaji. So many leaders, national leaders we have read about. But last time I started a topic where we have read about the world leaders, the leaders who are famous worldwide. From other countries they are belonging. So who are these? Let's we have recap, then we will solve question answers. Fine. So first world leader was George Washington. Yes, George Washington. He was born on 22nd February 1732. Yes, 22nd February and 1732. In this year, on this date he was born, and he was the first president of USA. Yes, United States of America. He was the first president of that country, that USA. And next one is Abraham Lincoln. Yes, Abraham Lincoln. He was the 16th president of United States of America. He was the leader of Civil War, and he fought against slavery. Yes, slavery is that means practice. Slavery was that practice due to which people were harassed, and they were treated as poor laborers. So they were treated like a slave, and they were a human being. So by seeing their poor condition, Abraham Lincoln had very deep thought for them, and he decided to fight against slavery. And lastly he got success, and he introduced Emancipation of Proclamation in the year 1863. Yes, Emancipation of Proclamation, it was introduced by Abraham Lincoln in the year 1863. And in the year 1865, Abraham Lincoln was finally assassinated, means he was killed by someone in the year 1865, and date was 15th April 1865. Yes, in this year, on this date, Abraham Lincoln was actually assassinated. Fine. Next is Martin Luther King Jr. Yes, Martin Luther King Jr. He was born in the year 1929. Yes, he was born on this year 1929 in Atlanta, and he fought against and he was the leader of American Civil War. Who? Martin Luther King Jr. Yes, he was a leader of American Civil Rights Movement, and he was the person who fought against racial discrimination. Racial discrimination means that actually during those days people were treated according to their skin color. Like those people who were having fair skin color, they were treated very good, and those who were of dull colors or dark skin complexion, they were not treated equally. They were not facilitated by the leaders that time, comparison to the fair skin color those who were having. So this was a discrimination between the people being the human. So it was means noticed by Martin Luther King Jr. So he fought against such kind of racial discrimination, and he won Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1964, because he abolished this system of racial discrimination during that time. Now Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was born on 26th. She was born on 26 August 1910 in Macedonia. Yes, she was a nun, and Mother Teresa, who was a nun, she born on 26th August 1910, and she decided to become a nun, and in the year 1929, yes, 1929, she came to Kolkata, and at very early age, in the year of 18 years, she completed her graduation. She came to Kolkata in the year 1929. There she worked for poor and needy children. She established an orphanage house for needy and poor children. It was named Nirmal Hriday. Fine. So this miscellaneous points, so please write down in your notebook. Now, as we already had recap of this chapter, so now let's start question answers, and book exercise we have already done in the last chapter. So let's start question answers. Okay, so first number question is, who was the first president of United States of America? See, beta, question is very simple. Who was the first president of United States of America? And answer you know very well. George Washington was the first president of United States of America. Yes, answer is very clear and answer is very easy too. That who was the first president of United States of America? George Washington was the first president of United States of America. Okay, and it is given in on very front page of your book. Next question is, discuss the contribution of Abraham Lincoln. Fine. So here we have to discuss about the contribution of Abraham Lincoln, whatever he did in his life, that we have to write. Fine. So Abraham Lincoln fought civil war over the issue of slavery. He introduced Emancipation of Proclamation in 1863. Fine. So what did he do? Discuss the contribution of Abraham Lincoln in the fight against slavery. Okay, so there we have to write what did he do against slavery. There we find the answer. Abraham Lincoln fought civil war over the issue of slavery. Over the issue of slavery, what did he do? He fought a war named Civil War. He introduced Emancipation of Proclamation in the year 1863. So to abolish slavery, he introduced Emancipation of Proclamation, and in which year? 1863. Actually, let us see one thing, that in this chapter you will find numbers of dates and events. So please keep writing, keep underlining, and keep learning too. First of all, you write these question answers in your notebook. let's we start the next question. Question number 3. Okay. List the award received by Mother Teresa. See, there what we have to do here, we have to write about those awards which was received by Mother Teresa. Numbers of awards were given to Mother Teresa, so there we have to write what are these. Mother Teresa was awarded Nobel Prize in the year 1979 and Bharat Ratna in 1980. Okay, two awards she was given, and these are very high ranking awards. First is Nobel Prize, she was given in the year 1979. This you have to learn. And Bharat Ratna is also one of the high ranking award which was given to her in the year 1980. Fine. Now next question is, discuss the life and contribution of Martin Luther King Jr. Okay, so here we have to write about the life and the contribution of Martin Luther King Jr. What did he achieve? So about life, Martin Luther King Jr. was born in Atlanta in the year 1929. In the year 1929. Okay. And he fought for the equal rights for all colored people. He was awarded Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1964. So what is the complete answer? Now you see, Martin Luther King Jr. was born in Atlanta in the year 1929. Where was he born? He was born in Atlanta. And in which year he was born? He was born in the year 1929, and he fought for the equal right for all colored people. As I said that during that time he saw the discrimination between the people on the basis of their skin color. So he was the person who fought against such a discrimination, and he fought for equal rights for all skin colored people. He was awarded Nobel Peace Prize. Yes, Nobel Peace Prize is one of the highest high ranking prize, and he won in the year 1964. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 5. Write a short notes on the contribution of Mother Teresa. Fine. So children, here we have to write about the contribution. Fine. Contribution of Mother Teresa. So you see, right? So you know very well that who was Mother Teresa. She was actually a nun, and she came from Macedonia to India, and she was so kind-hearted lady, and at the age of 18 years she completed her graduation. She came to India to help the poor and needy children, and to help them she made orphanage house. She established an orphanage house for those needy and poor people, and its name was Nirmal Hriday. And for her such generous and kind task, she was awarded many times. So let's see. Answer is Mother Teresa was born on 26th August 1910 in Macedonia. In 1929 she arrived in India. In which year she came to India? She arrived in India in the year she arrived in India and dedicated her life to helping the poor and the needy children. Fine. So what did she do when she came to India? Actually, a very short note we have to write. So Mother Teresa was born on 26th of August in 1910 in Macedonia, and from Macedonia she came to India in the year 1929 after 19 years, and at the age of 18 years she completed her graduation. And when she came to India, she helped poor and needy people, and she established an orphanage house for these children, and its name was Nirmal Hriday. Beta, first of all you write these two question answers. Now let's we move to the last question, question number 6. Discuss the contribution of George Washington. Okay, so let's we start about the contribution, whatever he did good for society, for his own country, that we have to write. Okay, beta. So let's we see. George Washington was born on 22nd February in 1732 in USA. Where was he born? He was born in USA, and he was a great he was a great military leader. He was elected as first president of the United States. He died on 14 December 1799. So this is the answer all about the last question. So please write down in your notebook. So beta, here you see that today we have completed this chapter successfully. In last video I have taught you about, I have explained this chapter with book exercise, and this time I have brought one more video for the remaining part, including the question answers, and here we have done. So today we have learned about the question answers related to these world leaders, and about world leaders we have read about George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, Martin Luther King, Mother Teresa. About these so many world leaders we have read. George Washington, you know very well that he was the first president of United States of America, who fought, he was the military leader, and American War of Independence. He was the leader of American War of Independence, and he was re-elected in the year 1792. For the first time he became the president, and second time again he became president. It means he was re-elected. He was re-nominated again for next presidentship. And next is Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln is one more world's great leader. He was born in the year 1809. Abraham Lincoln, he was a person who fought against slavery and who declared emancipation of proclamation in the year 1863. He fought against slavery. Slavery means a treatment of the behavior, means a treatment of for the people which was very poor. People were treated as labor. They were doing work, laborious work day and night, and it was very poor condition. So lastly Abraham Lincoln fought for these people and he got success. Fine. Next is Martin Luther King. He was born in Atlanta in the year 1929. Fine. Martin Luther King, who was against of racial discrimination. People during those time, they were treated according to their skin color. Whose skin color is fair, they were given facility. They were facilitated, and those people who are of dark skin color, they were discriminated. So to stop these kind of discrimination on the basis of skin color, it was totally successfully done by Martin Luther King. And next world leader is Mother Teresa. Yes, she was one of the kind and generous lady who born in Macedonia in the year 1910, and in the year 1929 she came to India, and there she established Nirmal Hriday. Nirmal Hriday is one of the most famous orphanage house established by Mother Teresa. There she helped needy and poor children, and she was awarded many times. And in the year 2016 she was declared nun. She was declared saint. Fine. So this is all about these world leaders. So I will be coming back with one more new chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.